Okay, I got to read you this article by MarketWatch. Okay, this is why a month ago I was calling out narrative because it's in full swing. Let's read. This is from MarketWatch, who is essentially Citadel. And if you're one of those people who is still in denial, I'm so sorry for you. Opinion: AMC's apes are ready to buy on Monday's earnings. After Monday's closing bell, AMC Entertainment Holdings will announce its results for the third quarter of 2021, and the majority of its shareholders will applaud the outcome regardless of the outcome. AMC's status as an OG top-tier meme stock has been fully cemented in the last few months, with retail investors appearing more committed than ever to keep the company's stock nice and high, thanks to the actual business reality of a movie theater chain benefiting from people going back to the movies after a pandemic, and the company's CEO, Adam Aron, becoming an unabashed courtier of the apes that control his float. But we don't. We have 80%. Anyways, see how they're playing along with the narrative? They're trying to play along with it. They're trying to tell you what you want to hear, but at the same time mock you. That's what the media does. With a string of delayed blockbusters hitting theaters going into the historically strong holiday movie season, AMC has released multiple statements touting box office numbers that look like pre-pandemic returns, a signal that the third quarter should be a stronger one than AMC has seen in a while. But even if the numbers disappoint, AMC's after-hours trading will look like a shrug emoji, because a whole bunch of AMC stock is held by true believers who will follow Aaron anywhere at this point. And Aaron has led them. As we have discussed ad nauseum in this column, Aaron's showman embrace of social media to interact directly with his ape base has been unmatched in the meme stock space, and he has deftly wielded that trust and power to get AMC out of a deep, deep hole of debt. They're still in debt, MarketWatch, you fucks. AMC stock was up nearly 7% Monday afternoon as the faithful began to literally buy into the earnings, and there is very little reason to think that the momentum will ebb going into the close. Firstly, social media is awash with diamond-handed apes psyching each other up for the results. So you see how they're creating a narrative? They're pushing that narrative onto you. You're all eating it up like Kobayashi, and then they say, look, the apes are riling each other up, when in reality, it's been the media the whole time. Now, one popular post on subreddit confirming the fact that they have been surveilling subreddits says the exchange IEX has no available AMC shares by late morning on Monday. And then they quote a comment, I spent 25 minutes on the phone with a Fidelity rep who advised that IEX does not have any more shares of AMC, wrote Tree Guy 201. My orders were immediately canceled, both market and limit. She advised me there are 1,000 callers in her call queue. Right. On Twitter, the vibe was less wonky, confirming that, again, they are surveillancing Twitter. And then they post this guy's tweet. But diamond hands might not even be needed if social media is to be believed, which I do not recommend believing social media because, as you've seen this year, it's all complete bullshit ran by morons who have no idea how the market works. AMC shares are among the most popular with retail investors devoted to the direct registration movement. Oh, now we're tying in the DRS freaking narrative. Let's go. A tactic that apes have embraced. You see that? You see how they're saying y'all have embraced it? Allowing them to hold stock in a company directly rather than through the more common street ownership, keeping short sellers from being able to borrow them. Direct registration also makes it harder for investors to sell their shares quickly, but AMC's earnings have not dampened interest in retail investors giving their shares to transfer agents to hold. We are continuing to see higher than usual volumes to register transfers onto our DRS platform, in particular from a couple of so-called meme stocks, said Paul Kahn, president of Global Capital Markets at ComputerShare. That's an interesting last name, Paul, because you're aware just as well as I am that it's not your DRS platform, it's the DTC's platform. By the way, that's the, anyways, even the arguments against AMC are based on its incredible strength amongst its base. And then they go on to talk about, the volatility of AMC and all that good stuff. And then at the end, it says, one thing is clear, that is that Monday's earnings are not a horizon, just another big moment in what has been a wild year for AMC and its apes. So after reading this, what do you got? You got memes with Adam Aron on it. You got them calling you apes. You got them saying that you embrace the DRS system, that they're telling you, it works in an incorrect way. They're basically being the voice for the apes, and it's being allowed to happen. And this article is 100% bullshit, 100% of it. Everything written in this is bullshit. So If you haven't figured it out yet and you're on Reddit and you're on Twitter going with all the idiots and all the flow and all the unverified claims, yeah, they're watching you and they're mocking you and they're writing a narrative because of you. So have fun with that.